Hello and welcome to the next session of knowledge sharing on no code. Let's continue with Zapier. Today, let's create Zaps between Gmail and Google Sheets. Firstly, let's look into creating a Zap between Gmail to Google Sheets. So, whenever you get a new email which is labeled, we fetch those details into Google Sheets. So to begin, we have to create labels in Gmail and then link those labels in Zapier. I'll show you how. Add Gmail here and Google Sheets here. Trigger when a new labeled email has arrived. Create spreadsheet rows. You'll get a template which is available. Click on try it. Once the template is loaded, you'll have to link your account. We'll have to choose the label that we want to create this zap for. I've created a label named Zapier trial. Click on continue. Test the trigger. I've already sent an email which is labeled as Zapier trial, and that email will be fetched for trial purpose. Click on continue and we'll go to the next step. Choose your account. It could be the same account as the Gmail or it could be a different account. Select the spreadsheet. Again, I've created a spreadsheet with name Zapier, so I'll be selecting that. Worksheet. I have two worksheets, one for Gmail to G Sheets and another for G Sheets to Gmail. So I'll select Gmail to G Sheets. All the columns will be loaded here. So in the from column, I'll be adding from email address, for the subject column, I'll be adding subject from the email. For the body, I'll select plain body. As I mentioned previously, this 1 indicates the results coming from step 1. Date and time. Continue. Test and review. So the data should already be sent here. The Zap is ready to be turned on. I'll rename this. Let's test if the Zap is working fine. Here in the label Zapier trial, I just have one email. I'll send another email from my account. Let's wait for the email to arrive. Here we have the second email, which is labeled as Zapier trial. Let's wait for the Zap to run and check if the details from email are being sent to Google Sheets. Let's see what's the email that I've sent. Zapier test is the subject. Hi, I'm testing the Zap that we just created. Regards. Ritz is the body. So let's see if this data is being transferred to Google Sheets. So here you go. We have got the new details added to Google Sheets. And this email details matches what I had just shown on Gmail. Let's move on to the second Zap, where we are sending a new email when a new row is added in Google Sheets. So we have to, subject, and body. The email details are added here. So let's head to Zapier. Create Zap. You can select Google Sheets. Trigger event is new row. Choose your account. Spreadsheet. I've created a Zapier. Workbook. G Sheets to Gmail. Test the trigger to see if the connection is done properly or not. Since we are able to get these details, it means we have done the connection properly. The second one is Gmail. Choose the action that you want. Send email. Select your account and click on continue. Now we need to give the details for sending email. So to, we have a column 2, we can select that. If you want to add some static email address, you can do so. If you want to CC or BCC someone, you can add their email addresses. If you have different aliases for the same account, you can choose from which one to send the email. You can add a from name here. When the recipient replies back, whom should the reply go to? Subject. I'll choose the data from subject column. Body can be plain or HTML. I'll choose plain body. I'll choose the contents from body column. You can select a signature. You can add any attachments if you want to. You can give the link. Click on continue. Click on test and review. The email was successfully sent. Let's turn on the Zap. Name your Zap. Let's see if the email was sent. Here you go. Hello, we are testing G Sheets to Gmail app. Regards, Reds. Email was sent to the email address that I had added. Now I'll add another row in Google Sheets to test if the Zap is working automatically. Second test. I keep the body as same. Let's see if the email is already sent. Yeah. Second test and the same body was sent using Zapier. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have any questions, as always, put it in the comments and I'll reply back. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.